tell them, I tell them step into my mind, step into my life. Now do at your own risk, that shit is not a pretty sight. Wow, step into my life. Hey, do at your own risk, that shit is not a pretty.
Good morning, good morrow, good afternoon to my party people. The end is near, but I told y'all that there was gonna be a sequel. We dogs, we gon' sniff a weasel that say that he ain't. New Jeep like I got the drive, now watch me switch up the paint. You rappers soft, probably using YouTube to put on your kin. I go so hard that hi-hat and the beat come back in. A white trash accent for days, I laugh in 9 different ways. Don't keep that 9, but that 9 on me, still homie, don't play.
Because my buddies that stay, I show forward to the range. So when we pull up that forecast, say making it rain. Next person that I break down to, who tell me I'm trifling, while I'm a hand on my J's, go run a mile in my life. I tell them step into my life. Hey, do at your own risk, that shit is not a pretty sight. Wow, step into my do at your own risk, that shit is not a.
My cousin saw me on Instagram, told me bitch change your name. I told him I ain't changing up shit till we change up the game. I know my brothers, my family, I know my cousin the hater.
Alright, I'm gonna make this quick because it is cold. It is about 35 degrees. But anyway, I'm Trey. I'm here with my 2017 F30. It's a N20 engine. Yes, I know, slow, small, whatever. Not even an N26. But what I love about this car, my favorite part, is this exhaust right here, the Valvetronic axle back exhaust. I do have a downpipe, catless downpipe, stock mid pipe, but I mean this thing brings the car to life. You can go from sleepy neighbor mode to what is a neighbor mode, and I love it. It comes with the exhaust, obviously. You got the valve controller, and then inside the trunk right here you have the amp, and you have the plug-in, and you have the wiring extension for the valve. As you can see on the stock exhaust, the valve is on the left hand side of the exhaust. On the Valvetronic exhaust, it is on the right hand side, so it comes with the extension. I had to buy the actual full wiring harness because my car does not come stock with it. But I'm going to give you guys the full rundown. We're going to go through rollers, accelerations, decels, backfires that I got from it. I'm also on a stage 2 93 tune. Doesn't make much of a difference in sound, but we're going to give you a cold start right now. And it is about 35 degrees, I said, so my car is still cold. I only drove it about 5 minutes, not even 2 minutes. So, alright, here's a cold start. And yes, I know we're in a parking garage. It's going to echo a little bit, but it's not going to make it that much louder. Jump into, the rollers, the decels, the accelerations, backfires. So let's get into it. I'm going to have inside the car, I'm going to have outside the car from a different car's point of view. So you're going to hear what it sounds like in every possible situation. So let's get into it. Basically warmed up. We're just gonna do an acceleration from inside. forth. I mean, it's quiet in the car. It's quiet, but outside it's loud as hell. Maybe not loud as hell. Not no freaking V8, not no N55, not no N54. It's all relative. Fifth gear pull. Up to 5,500. This one, windows got to be down for it. In second.
Another one.
I love this fucking thing. I love this thing. I mean, you guys can tell it. I love it. No other exhaust will be on my car. No other brand. I promise that.
Another one.
I got one more tunnel for you guys. Just one more. I have to. First gear. Why not get some backfires in the tunnel while we're at it? Randy's staring at me in front of me. Whatever. So I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like, subscribe, comment, share, do what you do. But you know, this exhaust, for it being able to go from quiet to loud in literally a press of a button right here, I mean, what else can you ask for? The quality is amazing, the craftsmanship's amazing, and so with that, I'll see you on the next one. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, subscribe, drop a like, comment, share it to your friends. Do what you do, and I hope this video, you know, gave better insight on the exhaust and, you know, how it sounds on the F chassis car. With that, I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Alright, maybe just one more tunnel. Alright, y'all, I'll see you in the next one.